Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to delete all Gmail emails at once using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Gmail app, and then here, just want to long press on the email. And now, just go ahead and click or choose all the emails that you want to delete. And now just click on the delete bin or the trash bin icon. So now you want to click on the three little lines at the upper left corner of your screen. Scroll down until you see the trash section. So just go ahead and click on that. And then here you want to click on empty trash now. And if you are sure about your action, just go ahead and click on OK. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.